How to replace site logo in Wix Studio. So in order to replace your site logo, what you can do is you first need to head over to your actual header, and we have in here our logo. What you can do is you can just head over and click onto this particular image and click onto this change image option. Now into this part, you can see in here your site files, so you can just locate in here the new logo that you want to use. But if you can find it right here, you can also just click onto this upload media and upload the new logo that you wish to use to your site. On my case, I'll just choose this logo and click onto this update option. Then after that, this logo shall be added into my header as usual. Alternatively, you can also head over to your dashboard and search in here for the search bar for logo. Into this part, you can see this logo settings. Now, onto this, you should be able to upload and set your business logo through this part as well by just inputting right here the new logo that you want. Just head over and click onto this plus icon. You can upload an image or choose one from your site files as well. In my case, I'll choose one from site files, which is the same one that I have chosen, this one right here, and click onto this choose file, and it will be recognized as my logo as well as my fav icon. Just head over and save that in order to save everything. So that's how you place site logo in Wix Studio. Hope we helped.